Thank you for coming to Steno 24/7. This will be case number 7, Q&A, 1,000 words on the subject of building deterioration. This will be at 110 words per minute. Before I do this drill, I want to ask you to hit the notifications button, subscribe, and like any videos. And if you want to, you can leave a comment as well. Thank you so much. Now let's get ready to write. Question: will you give us your full name? Answer: Mildred Knott. Question: your home address, please. Answer: 1950 Independence Street South. Question: where is your business located? The address. Answer: 6050 North Street. Question: what is the name of the business? Answer: Usefulness House. Question: who is connected with you in business? Answer: my brother. Question: what is his name? Answer: Fred Knott. Question: how long has this been a going concern? Answer: since 2012. Question: were you in any business before this one we are talking about? Answer: I just kept house for my brother. Question: is your brother interested in any other business besides this one? Answer: well, he has a part-time job. Question: what type of business is the Usefulness House engaged in? Answer: we deal in used clothing. Question: do you buy used clothing and sell it as a principal? Or are you an agent for other people? Answer: we buy some of it on our own, and some of it we handle on consignment. Question: do you handle anything besides used clothing? Answer: that's it, mostly. Question: you say that some of it is bought outright by you and your brother, and some of it you handle on consignment. Answer: right. Question: what percentage of your business would be garments that are exchanged? Answer: it is all exchanges. All of it is exchange business. Question: now, you state there was a deterioration of plaster in the property that you leased, in which you conducted your business. Answer: there certainly was. Question: how long had that plaster been in that condition before it caused any difficulty? Answer: there wasn't any that I noticed. Question: I don't think you understand the question put to you. I should like to know how long the plaster had been in poor shape before they had started to repair the damage. Answer: oh, that. It was done immediately. Question: how long was the condition there? That's what I want to know. Answer: they did it in just 2 or 3 days. The damage was just before that. Question: it is my understanding that the work was done the latter part of February. Am I correct? Answer: that is right, February. Question: it goes without saying there was damage to the plaster before that date in order to need fixing up or repairing. Answer: it was just 2 or 3 days prior. Question: you see, I am wondering how long the deterioration of this plaster had been going on or existed. Answer: it was just 2 or 3 days. I called the agent and he didn't waste much time. He came very soon. Question: I am talking about the damaged plaster, not the damage you went through. Answer: I know. I realize that. You're asking me how long the condition was unrepaired, aren't you? Question: how long did it need repairing? As far as you know. Answer: like I say, just a couple of days. I noticed it and called the agent right away. Question: was there any water leaking that might have caused the plaster to get loose, or Was there a dry cracking, or did it just happen real suddenly? Answer: I didn't notice anything before that. I didn't make any search or investigation before. I just noticed it and called the agent. Question: where was the damage, in the store or was it general? Answer: it was in our room where we have stock, and it was also in the entrance. Question: now, do you claim any damage in the main showroom? Answer: no. Question: what do you use this stock room for? Answer: we keep incoming stock there and also lay-bys. Question: do you use this in displaying merchandise of any kind? Answer: well, yes, in a way. We take customers in there and show them things that we think they might like when we don't have them out in the main room yet. Question: now, you say the damaged plaster was repaired the latter part of February? Answer: I do. Question: upon whose request was the plaster repaired? Answer: mine. Question: and this was after you called someone? Answer: I called our landlord's agent. Question: and he had it repaired? Answer: yes. Question: did he tell you when it would be done? Answer: he said it would be done at that time because it wasn't easy to walk through. We both just understood. Question: did anyone come in and inspect it before the day they actually repaired it? Answer: there were people looking at it most all of the day. There was one character there examining it quite a lot. Question: can you tell us how many days this was before they actually repaired it? Answer: it certainly was within the cycle of a week. That is all I know. Question: did you have any conversation with this character? Answer: do you mean at the time he was making his examination? Question: that is correct. Answer: no, I did not have occasion to. Question: did you go to your place of business on the day they were making the repairs? Answer: yes. Question: what time did you get there? Answer: I generally am there between 8:30 and 9, so I suppose it was around in there. Question: what was the condition of things when you arrived? Answer: the men were mixing plaster in the entrance way. Question: was the doorway leading up to your premises opened or closed? Answer: doors closed. Question: did you open them when you arrived? Answer: I did. Question: what occurred then? Answer: they were readying to put up the scaffold. Question: were you there all day that day? Answer: until closing time. Yes, sir. Question: and what time was that? Answer: as a rule, I am there until 5:30 weekdays, but I am a little irregular about it. I can't tell for sure. Question: would you say roughly around 5 or 5:30? Answer: I think it was later on this occasion. Question: what did you observe the men do, if anything? Answer: they knocked all the loose plaster off. What a mess. Question: during the time they were tearing the plaster off, were the doors opened or closed? Answer: I closed them during the time they were tearing the old plaster off. Question: so there was no plaster dust coming into your rooms? Answer: the scaffolding was up and the door was open. I retract that statement made before. They were open, not closed. Question: they were open all the time? Answer: yes. Question: in other words, when they were tearing the loose plaster from the stairway, there was dust coming in from that work? Answer: I didn't notice at the time. I was busy with other things. Question: in other words, you don't know whether there was any dust coming in your place or not. Answer: I wasn't aware of any.